Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the machine so threading proceeds smoothly. Clear lint and dust from the bobbin area and remove the presser foot for visibility. Wind a bobbin evenly and place it in the bobbin case, making sure the thread tail follows the bobbin tension slot. Raise the needle to its highest point and lift the presser foot to open the tension discs. This prevents the thread from snagging. Once done, position your spool on the spindle and choose a straight line to begin feeding the thread. Now route the upper thread along the vintage Kenmore's designated path. Guide the thread from the spool into the tension discs, then up into the thread take-up lever. You should feel a click as it seats. Continue through each small guide toward the needle bar, making sure the thread sits in every notch. After passing the final guide, draw the thread down toward the needle and check that pulling the end causes the take-up lever to move. This confirms proper engagement and consistent tension during stitching. Finish by threading the needle from front to back and leaving a 4 to 6 inch tail to prevent unraveling. Hold the upper thread and slowly hand-turn the handwheel toward you to lower, and then raise the needle. This catches the bobbin thread. Pull both threads to the rear under the presser foot. Once threaded, lower the presser foot and sew a few test stitches on scrap fabric. If you see loops or puckering, adjust the top or bobbin tensions slightly. Tighten small amounts and retest until stitches are balanced.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.